So our one and only Jaggi Bhai is getting very famous day by day, like very famous. The legend, the mystic of India, Jaggi Bhai. He's getting so famous that he's getting called by Will Smith. भाई बड़े बड़े लोग भी ऐसे वैसे गुरु नहीं है भाई, बहुत बड़े गुरु है भाई हमारे Jaggi Bhai. So the weird part was he was even called on the Logan Paul show. With the Will Smith part I'll get to later on, but this time I want to focus on Logan Paul. He came to Logan Paul's podcast. And भैया ये ज्ञान छोड़ेंगे ना. I have not watched the videos actually, but I just want to watch it. But the gyan he's going to throw there now, he's going to be legendary. Like some simple thing, complicated and start putting stuff. Someone will ask him like, why do we fall because of gravity? He'll be like, it's not about falling. It's about the thinking within you and the way it processes. That's why it thinks that it's falling down. Otherwise you are flying. He can literally make anything out of it. So let's see what Logan Paul has to say. Which should I watch? The power of admitting I don't know. Sadhguru has never smoked or drank alcohol. Smoked or drank alcohol. Some weird thing is gonna be there. Let's see what does he have to say.
Ever taken a sip of alcohol?
I don't need to because I'm always drunk.
Suna na answer. Drunk, I'm always drunk. The high of life is only such na that you are drunk always. How can you not be drunk? When you enjoy life to the fullest na, you are always drunk.
Ever smoke weed?
I'm always told you've not seen my eyes yet.
Oh,
So what? Badass he's looking right now. With beard, this clothes, and the glass. Arey Jaggi Bhai, don't underestimate his fashion sense. Sabyasachi had called him, मेरे ऐसा वैसे मत समझो हमारे जग्गी भाई को. So अब Jaggi Bhai is basically drunk and stoned the whole time on life. On life. Life is such a life, and life is full of enjoy to the fullest, and then you are happy and drunk and stoned all the time.
I know that.
That laugh is always.
I came up in a place where I made sure I'm not influenced by anything. Either whatever the religion around me, the family around me, the community around me, the
Religion around me? How can you even say that? Chalo, bhai, Jaggi Bhai saying it. Don't disrespect. Dare you disrespect him?
They think uneducation means not going to school or college. No, uneducated means you did not pick up any ways of anybody's. You're simply the way the life is. Because your life, everything else is assumed. If you have experienced the nature of life that you are and the source of life, which is also…
The life, you should make a drinking game. Put on Sadhguru's speech. The amount of time he says life, na, you have to just take a shot, man. Every time he says life. And then one shot, by the time, I think so, you'll be admitted in the hospital. Everything, your source of life and the life outside is the life inside, and the way you explore the life within will show the life outside, because life is like a life. Don't you get it? Fucking life.
I know what you know through the weed, I know 1,000,000x over that within myself. So why will I be curious about something like that?
समझे क्या? You have to just tap the weed within yourself to get that high in life. The weed within you. Jaggi Bhai knows it to score weed within yourself. So for more information, contact Jaggi Bhai.
I'm not offering miracles, pulling out gold chains from the sky or something like that. No miracle, no tickets to heaven, no anything.
Bhai doesn't show mercury solidifying what? Room temperature पे. What kind of a miracle is that now? नहीं करते भाई. You stop assuming. Stop saying anything against Jaggi Bhai.
You think they're gathering? Because I'm giving them dope.
Dope मिल रहा है Jaggi Bhai से. Just I'm telling you, the dope is within you. Hash, weed, cocaine, everything. The drugs which Arnab was talking about, all drugs are within. You just have to score from the right part of your body. That's how things work. wait, let's hear more from Jaggi Bhai.
Listen, no, don't
Real
stop
dope.
it there because it'll be dangerous. I'm giving them dope that no drug
Jaggi Bhai is making himself very clear that don't just stop there. If I'm giving dope, you all will assume and there will be a case on me. Already there are a lot of cases pending. Please don't misinterpret things. It's the dope within yourself.
they are gone.
I know you're big on semantics.
Huh?
So semantics?
It is not semantic.
Well, you're saying dope, and it's not actually dope. It's not weed. So what is it that you're selling? Like, what is your mission? What's your
Well, there is a lot of scientific research.
Yeah,
Which
bhai.
says-
This guy and him saying scientific research behind things. Just any statement he wants to make. Scientific, there is a lot of research done and scientific evidence. Everything is there, bhai. Tum sun lo, Jaggi Bhai has all the evidence.
Millions of cannabis receptors in your brain. You think they're waiting for you to smoke weed?
I don't know.
But they are there. That's a fact. So obviously, the system must have something to provide that possibility within the system. It is not that you have to go and pick something somewhere. It is here, because this is the greatest chemical factory. If you knew how to manage this, you wouldn't be in the back streets. You would make it happen here.
Getting high off life.
Chemical reaction, eat carbohydrates, make it into proteins and build muscle. Get jacked, muscle, be strong. No, this is how Jaggi Bhai's thing works. Like, why are you going outside? It's not inside. Everything is within in life. Everything in life is within you. And if you just harness that part of your life inside your body to get that psychedelic experience, the weed experience.
And before I died, and I did, and I'm just wondering from a fellow person who is seeking how that
Is seeking. He said Sadhguru is seeking. Bhai has already seeked and he is helping others seek. How dare he disrespect Sadhguru like this?
doesn't titillate you in some way.
See, the thing is this, right? We are all sitting in the same place, breathing the same air. Probably we eat similar food. At this moment, what is happening within me, how I am, I will not exchange this for anything in the universe. You give me the world, I will not change it. That's how big it is. If that's happening within you, you won't go pick weed, that's all I'm saying. Telling you, there is a way where you can be fully stoned and fully conscious at the same time.
So now basically Jaggi Bhai has caught the stoner market. So now stoners are gonna go and do inner engineering to mine the weed within themselves. Ferment alcohol within your stomach, put some sugar, sada hua fruits, fermented wine within yourself. Arey bhai, Jaggi Bhai has done it in his new business. Oh my god, man. Let me see his other one. The power of admitting I don't know. Whereas Sadhguru is the one who knows everything, he is teaching people to say I don't know. Arey bhai, let's see that.
How many of you believe you have two hands? Just raise one hand.
See that he started off with his mumbo jumbo shit. Like, he won't answer anything straight. You've seen in this whole interview, something weird he's gonna answer. Like, he'll left both hands if you have, raise one hand, then do the boogie boogie.
So I'm asking you, do you believe you have two hands or do you know that you have two hands?
Both.
He started off with his mumbo jumbo. More mumbo jumbo yet to come. Just wait, you just wait.
Really?
Yeah.
Both. If you know you have two hands, where is the need to believe you have two hands?
One follows the other.
What is the point of this argument? I have no idea. Chalo, dekhte hai bhai. If Jaggi Bhai is saying it, it has to have some point, obviously.
Why not?
If you know something, why do you have to believe it?
If I know something, why do I have to believe it?
Yeah.
Logan Paul is confused. If I know something, why do I have to believe it? अब ससुरी हम भी क्या बोले?
See, the word believe means The word believe essentially means you do not know something, but you believe it is so.
Sure, but you could believe and know something.
See, I believe you are a good guy. What does it mean?
So you don't know that.
I don't know. That's what I'm saying, I don't know.
Jaggi bhai,
I don't.
Jaggi bhai has cracked grammar. Between believing and knowing, he told you the difference. And people are happy about it because he told the difference between believing and knowing. हमें थोड़ा सा पैसा दे दो, हम भी तुमको बताएंगे believing and knowing के difference.
But first understand the distinction between knowing something and believing something.
Got it.
1.5 minutes are up. The thing hasn't started yet. The thing is, do you know the difference between believing and knowing? Have you? Have you ever thought that they are two different words? Or have you just considered them one word and continued with your life like some jackasses?
So you're saying to sacrifice my belief so I
I'm
can
not
know
asking
things?
you to do anything. I'm asking you to look at the distinction between knowing something
Yeah.
and not knowing something.
What is-
There is still stuck there. Knowing, not knowing, believing, not believing. This is Jaggi bhai. Mumbo jumbo from here and there dal diye. People are happy. We'll see the comment section also later on. There also bunch of idiots will be filled.
What is the metric for which something goes from belief to knowledge? Is the
Not knowledge.
I just want to
We're talking about
The technicality he is asking. Na. The process through which believing goes to knowing and
right. So
let me
is
make
the-
a
is-
distinction between knowledge and knowing.
Okay, is the
Knowledge is an
Are bhai, between knowledge and knowing, he's telling the difference now. Are, if you considered them both the same, still you are a jackass. You idiots. If there is a difference between them, just know it. Know it for God's sake.
is the
Knowledge is an accumulated information. I know this and that. By knowledge means I have accumulated information. Today everybody is knowledgeable about everything. This doesn't mean to say they know it. They know it through the phone screen, everything in the universe, but they don't know it by experience of anything. So knowing is by experience. I have two hands, is my knowing. I know it is there, all right? Even if I close my eyes, it's there. If you argue with me, it's there. It's there anyway. So belief is something else. Right now I know something, I do not know something. These are two facts of life.
So
If you live in truth, you will know some things, you will not know some things. What you do not know,
That's one of the biggest problems we're facing right now in our country. I don't know how long you've been here, but I think it's safe to say America's probably the most divided it's ever been, especially with the pandemic going on.
well, you had a civil war, this is better than that.
Yeah, it is better than that, but I wonder how close we are to something like that happening.
Logan Paul asked a very good question. So we are divided and all that. Jaggi bhai is like, why are you worrying? We are better than before, na? Do you remember the era of dinosaurs? The humans didn't even exist then. Now we are existing. So isn't that better than this? Give solutions for this one, na? Stop comparing the past to this one and say we are doing better right now. Make it even better. What we are in a problem right now? Just make it better.
Truthfully,
Election
the
time,
riots-
everybody gets hot, it's okay.
I wanted to build off of his knowing versus believing. I don't remember which school of
The
thought.
conversation is still stuck there. Believing and knowing, believing, knowledge. उधर ही अटके है.
If you go by your sensory perception, right now I touch this and I say it's cool. No, I don't know what this is. Only because it's cooler than my body, I'm saying it's cool. If somebody else who is much cooler than me touches this, they…
Who can be cooler than Jaggi bhai right now? Look at him, the coolest guy. Coolest mystic of India.
this is warm. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So I am saying, your experience of senses is a very relative experience. It's good enough for survival, not good enough for knowing the nature of what it is. For survival
For knowing the nature of what that copper thing is, na, you have to be the copper. Become the copper and then experience. Because you don't have to live life just in your body. Live life in non-living things also.
You're seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, which is what you're saying. To go to the grocery store, all this is good enough. But if you want to know what it is, you cannot know through your senses.
Now for that, you have to go within yourself and explore the weed within you. But you don't know to explore the weed within you, then that's why you have to go to Jaggi Bhai, because he'll teach you. He knows the greatest scoring point within your body. So please contact Jaggi Bhai and do inner engineering for more weed scoring. Look at him now. Like, it was a simple discussion. Just, you should be ready to, explore things. If you don't know something, try to find out more about it. इसका ये बड़ा चढ़ा के मतलब बिलीविंग नोइंग नॉलेज ये वो अरे भाई ये वन लेजेंड है अरे I didn't see the comments. I have to see the comments. And some shit will be here also. These guys are too lucky to be around Sadhguru's energy. He has opened every dimension of spirituality, and if you do inner engineering yoga, you will experience what he is talking about. अरे भाई ने भी वीड स्कोर किए हैं, इसलिए यू ऑल्सो गो स्कोर द वीड विद इन योर सेल्फ. जॉर्ज इज सो डम. ही जस्ट क्राइज ओवर जीसस. Doesn't understand deeper meanings of life. Why does he cry over Jesus? Dive into the deeper dimensions of life. This is what they always say. There's a deeper dimension within you. Woo! One rule: never argue with a guru. You won't even get a chance to put your point. He will say what he have to, no matter what. Arre! My twin is here. Dark Abyss, my twin. And that's about it. If I'm going to make these, Jaggi Bhai right now is on a roll. I have to see many videos of his, and I'll keep publishing these videos very frequently. Even Will Smith's one, I'll make sure. Udhar bhi Mumbo Jumbo is going to put. Let's see what happens now. And that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one.